How to reset account password. Visit www.VeriDocSign.com. Click on the user icon. Click on Forgot Password. Enter your registered email and click Recover button. Go to your inbox and open the password reset email. Click on Reset Password. Create new password. Confirm password by entering it again. Now click on Save Password button. You have successfully updated your password. Click OK. Enter your registered email and new password. Now click on the Login button. Go to your inbox and open the OTP email. Copy the OTP from verification mail. Enter or paste the OTP and click Submit. You have successfully logged in and can access the dashboard. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.